Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we're going to look at a phone case made by Ornato, and this is going to be for my new iPhone 16. It has the mag charge piece on it, and it has a flip out where it can actually hold my phone up, and I like that because obviously I do a lot of video recording and that can be a big plus for me. But if you're a video gamer on your phone, if you're reading a lot on social media, this is great because it can take it out of your hands and you can set it on the table. Now I have my little mag charger up here. We're going to try it and see if it works, because a lot of times I've found a lot of these cases, unless they have this little mag ring in it, they don't pick up well and they don't go through, and I end up having to pull it off and go without a cover if I want to use my mag. So this is a really important thing. Now what you're going to get is you're going to get a nice box. So if you want to gift this, it's easy to wrap and gift or put it in a gift bag. They're also going to give you a really nice chamois type little cloth to be able to clean everything off. They give you a thank you card. Now they also give you a little card with some kittens and has their name on it, or cats. So I'm assuming that the company really loves cats. So we have that there. So now what we're going to do, I've got my original cases off of my phone. We're going to take and see how hard it is to slide this in. And it should just slide right in very simply. And it does. Actually fits really well. Looks great. I can see the color through the side. Now the back has a protective foam on it, or protective plastic I should say, to keep it from getting scratched and stuff, so when you get it, it's going to be like brand new. And all you do is you're going to take the little tab here and you're just going to pull this up right there, and we're going to set it aside. Now first, before we play with the ring, let's see if it actually charges. So I'm going to turn this towards you so that you can kind of see, and it charges perfect, immediately lights up. That is beautiful because so many of these do not do that when I put them on. Let's try it one more time. Just make sure it's working good. There you go. Perfect. So it works very well for that. Now let's see how we pull this. Oh, you just simply put your thumb under it here and pull it up. So let's see how that works. So there you go, guys. I can set it up just like that. Let's see if it does anything from the side up, and it will work in landscape mode as well. So I really like it. And by the way, this rotates. Oh, okay. So you can have it up higher if you want by rotating it. I like that. Very cool. And this is metal, guys. This is not plastic. And guys, the ring is not plastic. It is metal, and it rotates a full 360 degrees. I like that. It folds down and out of the way, so it is smooth. You don't even know it's there. I love the guards around the actual camera lenses. They are raised up a little so that they are protecting that camera lens so it doesn't get hit or smashed. Because if you look at the new iPhones, the camera lenses stick out just a little, and you could hit those. But overall, feels great. The bumper on it feels great. It feels great in the hands. Let's see if it actually functions. Yep, the buttons function very well. Let's see here. We got that. And let's see if it'll... Yep, I mean, it's like the buttons are, they feel like the original buttons. I mean, it just works so incredibly well. They have the cutouts for the actual microphones and stuff, so everything will work perfect. Your charging port in the bottom is actually open, and you have everything on the side. So your mics and speakers have little openings all the way around. So it really functions very nicely, and the new camera shutter button down at the bottom works really well as well. So I could not be more pleased. If I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because it does everything I want it to do, and it makes my phone look fantastic. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it, and we will see you guys on the next review.